Let's dive into the bull and bear case behind Coinbase. Coinbase stock has continued its strong year-to-date performance, trading around 52-week highs. However, recent regulatory headwinds have continued to provide some investors with pause. That said, crypto tailwinds remain strong. So the question is whether now is the time to load up on Coinbase stock. Let's dive in. The Coinbase momentum play. Here's why short-term investors should consider Coinbase stock now. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Coinbase stock is one of the beaten-down tech stocks that's rebounded most impressively in 2024. The company's recent results point to strong earnings growth in line with the recent rally across most crypto assets. Bitcoin has led the way higher this year, growing over 65% just this year. With most large and mid-cap cryptos seeing similar rises, transaction volumes have picked up as traders step back in the game. For Coinbase, which generates most its revenue and earnings from transaction fees, that's a good thing. Coinbase has gained market share in spot trading and saw institutional transactional revenue grow by 161% in fourth quarter, driven by improved market conditions and product suite expansion. Let's dive into whether this momentum can continue. What happened? Coinbase's ongoing battle with the SEC appears to be heating up. Opening briefs have been filed with the Third Circuit Court of Appeals as Coinbase seeks to appeal for a more structured rulemaking process. Coinbase also accused the SEC of overstepping its power and authority. That said, Coinbase also questions the SEC's lack of clear regulations that they have been imposing on cryptocurrencies, which hindered the sector's growth. In a pivotal ruling, the SEC rejected Coinbase's rulemaking petition in December 2023 with a 3-2 vote. Chairman Gary Gensler argued existing regulations sufficed for Bitcoin ADS, while Commissioners Pierce and Ueda advocated addressing technological advancements. Coinbase swiftly appealed, condemning the decision as unlawful and a breach of administrative protocols. Coinbase's legal action highlights a regulatory dilemma for crypto firms. The SEC requires compliance without clear rules. This ambiguity stifles industry growth and leaves companies needing more clarity on regulatory navigation. Apart from the appeal to the Third Circuit Court of Appeals, Coinbase faces a lawsuit in New York. Accused of operating without registration, hearings are ongoing, awaiting a ruling from Judge Catherine Polk-Fela. Coinbase stock just surpassed initial listing price. Upon its 2021 direct listing, the leading U.S. crypto exchange debuted at $250 per share, peaking at $350 in November. Subsequently, it ended its inaugural year with a 38% decline. Despite regulatory challenges and market fluctuations, Coinbase experienced a remarkable resurgence, buoyed by Bitcoin's surge and SEC-approved spot Bitcoin ADS, driving a 300% stock value increase in the last year. Recently, Coinbase surged 5% the day Bitcoin reached $70,000. It's clear the Bitcoin surge also affects Coinbase, but other companies in this sector as well. Although the road ahead remains uncertain for this crypto exchange, its clear momentum is pointing in the right direction again. Coinbase could be a speculative buy here. Coinbase is a stock I think is probably best viewed as a trade rather than a long-term hold. So long as this crypto momentum continues, there's a case to be made that Coinbase could see meaningful profitability and cash flow growth. On a fundamental level, that should make the stock a buy in the eyes of many value-conscious growth investors. However, as we've seen with previous downturns in the crypto sector, the downside can be vicious. This is a stock that's great while everything is working. But given regulatory headwinds and other macro concerns, plenty of things could go wrong over the medium to long term. Thus, I'd say Coinbase stock is a fine speculative buy for those with shorter-term investing time horizons. I'm still on the sidelines with this stock as I take a longer-term view of such companies. But there is a strong case to be made to own this stock to take advantage of the momentum in the market right now for those willing to do so. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.